Hi, welcome back, and today I am going to try the following pattern. For this, I start outer loop for int I equals to 5 because we need first 5 star, so it start from 5. Then I is I which means ends with 1 star, so here we put I is greater than equals to 1, and then it decreases by 1, so I minus minus. Then we start inner loop for j equals to 1, j is less than equals to I. Here I, which means 5, j is less than equals to 5. First time it will run 5 times and j increase by 1, j plus plus. Now inside the inner loop I type system dot out dot print and it print 1 star first, and then it goes for 1 and less than equals to 4, and then it prints second star. In this way it will run 5 times and print 5 star. After that I come out from the inner loop, and at the end of outer loop I type system dot out dot print backslash n for line gap. Why it is needed? Because first time we print 5 star, then we need to print second set of star at next line, so we give here a line break, and that's it. Now compile the code and run the program. So you can see it prints the following pattern. Hope you understand the code, and see you in next video.